training is only half the story. Your advantage is the data you share. Introducing Collinear Spider, an open, extensible way to craft data recipes and produce clean, usable data fast. Spider comes with off-the-shelf verifiers and filters, and you can also plug in your own. You can run it to curate data with Collinear APIs on Collinear server or on your own GPU. Thanks to the Thinking Machines team for support and early feedback on Spider. Instead of searching for the right dataset and verifiers, you get a one client interface, one config, and a clear path from raw data to improved model artifact. So Muyu, tell us more about how Spider works.
Yes, sure. Spider is very simple. All you need is two things. You need a config file, which delineates to the server everything you want. That includes the data source, the model of choice, and the output path. And then, using a really simple Python script that loads a client and sends the YAML file over to the server. The server will take care of everything and run the job for you. And the final deliverable will be either a Hugging Face model or a Hugging Face dataset that waits for you. We support two types of jobs. Offline distillation, where a very complex, highly filtered dataset is created for you, or an on-policy distillation, where you treat the model as a general rollouts. In both cases, all you need is 2 or 3 lines of code to get host things running. In the very near future, we will support even more complex logic, like agentic tool use for both online and offline scenarios. In either case, Spider stands simple, so please try it.
With Spider, data shaping becomes a first-class primitive, fast to iterate, easy to audit, and ready for training. Grab the repo, try a data recipe, and start building your next improved model with Collinear and Tinker.